Hey, Mecca. Today's the day. Are you nervous? I'd be nervous if it was me. I mean, you only get one shot. What if you mess it up? You worry too much. And yes, to answer your question, I'm definitely ready. I was born ready. Let's do this.
All right, students, gather around. Today is a special day for one of our own here at Ask Academy. Our star student selected to raise the flag is none other than Mecca Earth.
We got the sun, we got the moon, we got the star, we got the truth. Add the 7, the circle and the points, black and yellow, my flag's the only one. My flag is universal, and it's the only one. My flag is the greatest, it's waving when we come. My universal flag represents everyone. My flag is amazing, and we had just begun. First everybody say peace, sham God. He made the flag, now here we are. The 7 is God, the black man. The moon is a woman attracted. What about the star? That's the child, and the child makes everybody smile. So hold the flag and wave it high. It represents you and I. My flag is universal, and it's the only one. My flag is the greatest, it's waving when we come. My universal flag represents everyone. My flag is amazing, and we had just begun. 48 shades, from last to the first. Oh, I can't wait till I can wear it on my shirt. 22 points when you add it up. Oh, I can't wait, 'cause my flag is enough. My flag is universal, and it's the only one. My flag is the greatest, it's waving when we come. My universal flag represents everyone. My flag is amazing, and we had just begun.